My younger brother Bran is a renowned explorer.
Here they come. Load your guns. Fire! Keep the rhythm.
Fresh meat.
Stand back. I will do this.
First blood. Headshot.
And that's how you beat the undead. I flew with my griffin across the seas, all the way here to Lordaeron.
You have a big mouth, you know that?
That figures. How else was I supposed to pour my ale down the throat at one swig?
You obviously haven't explored anything else besides bottoms of ale mugs.
Oh yeah? Says a lad who was through diapers when I already have traveled around the world.
The one who needs diapers is you when you confront the Lich King in Northrend next time.
Lich King's always frozen to the throne. He can do no harm.
You imbecile, prove it!
Consider it done. Tomorrow I'll pack my bags and return after 80 days or less.
And if you don't return in time, you hand over your farm to me.
Fine, but about that I don't need to worry. When I win, you buy me beer for the next year.
You're going down, punk.
Enough! I will not start breaking bar fights tonight. Round of ale on the house. You spare me from telling the tale of a furball who said no to a Master Chef Walker. He got speared on the boat. Name your poison.
Got milk.
Sorry, we ran out of refreshments. Perhaps some cheese will do it.
Bring it on.
Oh, he's one of our regulars. He's sleeping upstairs at night.
Who cares? Let the man be, for God's sake.
Shouldn't you be getting ready for your trip to hell, dwarf?
No, Jinto, give me more ale.
You exceeded your limit for tonight. Better to head home while you're still sober, Bran.
Fine then. Farewell. I would beat that lousy panda in a drinking contest anytime. This is so freaking boring. I need something to shoot at. 10 flesh golems. Nah, too easy. A fire-breathing dragon. That's it. Why do I torture myself like this? There's nothing in this Bhagavatar province. I thought I heard... No, it must be the ale kicking in. This is just my luck. Maybe I should return to the tavern before I have to learn how to swim. Strange. I don't recall seeing that hunter before. It must be more drunk than I had anticipated.
Please come in. I have been waiting for you.
For me? Are you sure you are not mistaken?
Yes, I have a special treat just for you.
Alright, you got me curious. What is it?
Nothing else but the finest ale bottle this side of Lordaren. They call it the Bottomless Place.
And why is that?
You'll soon figure it out. Take it. It's a gift from me, Merchant Kabuzi.
Whoa, thanks. My throat was already getting a bit dry. But how is it? Maybe I need to see a witch doctor. Goblins never give anything for free. Could this ale be poisoned?